In this video, I want to talk about how you can change your name on eToro. Now there are two ways to do this, and the first one is obviously if you make a new account, you will be able to do it, but probably you don't want to do that. So what you have to do is you want to find any sort of proof for your new name, and this can be any of these. So if you entered your name wrong, or you've gotten a new name or anything like this, and you want to change it to that, you need to show proof, which can be any of these. So if you have any of these, you should be good to go. And just keep in mind that it should show both and old and new if you got a new name. And also you'll have to provide both old and new if it's because you got the new name. If you made a typo in your name, you will also be able to fix it, but just make sure you have some sort of proof. After that, go to eToro and go to help and resources. Start chatting with the AI bot. In there, you want to see if that one can help you, so just ask it if it can help you change your name, and if it cannot, then tell it that you want to talk with an agent. So this is a real person that you're going to talk with, and just talk with them and see what's possible, and you should be able to change your name. Now most likely they're going to ask for proof, and once you send that over, give it a few business days for them to review everything and make sure it's correct, and then your name should be changed. Now these are currently the only two ways that you can do it, so either make a new account or do it via the chat. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.